Ganahan siya. Meron pa siyang pa.
Siya gaganahan.
Ganahan siya. Sima.
Huwag nasa salad.
You taught me how to make those moves. Yeah. I will talk to this. Just how to show what I do. We'll talk about what we do kasi later.
Mata ka mura-mura. Ay,
Grabe ka gana.
ganang gidwar tayo. Review pa rin siya.
Dito sa bila-bila.
Katingin ang ilong.
We don't get to choose who runs at the table.
Kakain ka lang.
You don't want to upset someone like that.
We can remove a child's kidney as a way to pay for a crossing. It's Lizzie's family's way of reporting her American dream. Who are we to rob them of that?
Well, it's not their decision to make, and if there are any complications, she could die.
It was either this or leave her in one of the orphanages that serves the cartels. At least this way they get to take care of their daughter. You need to see it from their point of view. And I am sure that you have already taken some pretty dark measures to save your son. Do you want Dr. Matthews?
Imbis na sila mga gapa.
I'm not operating on a child,
Nasamot na.
even if it saves your own child.
Huwag lab. Kawawa si Mimi.
I won't do this. It's not right. We have an agreement. And if you walk out that door now, our deal is off. Think of your son. Because if you don't, this moment is going to be replayed in your head for the rest of your life.
Huwag lab. Kawawa si Mimi lab.
Iya. Tigpan din ito. Ikot sa ako. Sabi ko.
It just doesn't add up. I mean, how is it the 12 FBI
Ikikita.
Hindi ako kakalula lang pa.
entered Depot and we still
Hindi ako kakalula. Higa na ko ha. Higa na si Lola.
They all can't be it's no. It's a coincidence or conspiracy.
Na.
Over time, the Academy never to believe
Katugnawan ka ba?
Was that my undergrad philosophy? Because I don't know. Either way, you know what I think? They're playing. Both Tony and Armand. So it's just
Uy, uy, uy. Uy, uy.
If I just request the next few days.
Uy, uy, uy. Uy, uy, uy.
What happened?
It didn't work out with the book.
Hindi na siya magkamang ba?
Higit siya.
Nagkita yung ganito.
Oo.
Okay. Kung kayo mga puntahan, isirado mo.
Gigigit mo siya lang.
Yan, manaog mo siya. Okay, nagsuloy-suloy yung punta.
Pagkait mo siya. Ay, perkay ba eh? Okay. Guys, pilit.
Kakausap ka.
Kasi po siya sa iba. Sama na.
Yung bata eh. Lasing man yata to more. Lasing yata to more. Sama na. Uy! Parang bumarang lang.
Maliko na. Maliko na siya.
Kamusta naman yung bata? Uy! Ano ba nakain nito? Ba't nagkaganto to?
Ay, kalabasa.
Nabasa?
Well, I think it's time to go to bed now. Yeah. Because we have to wait a little longer until the niece is going to get home. But won't take long now.
Another one I want. Ah, come on. I just gotta get my shit all in from Manila just to get like me about that.
Sama na. Uy. Masakitan sa si Lula. Uy.
Di, sa lagi at mukamot. Sino ito?
As somebody I'm longing to see. I hope that turns out.
Yung banana yan ba? Ah, bakit yung lumayo? Ano ba naman yan? Bakit mo ako iniwan?